Definitely challenging today in going first in my project. Final evaluation, table of contents, introduction, globalization, interculturality, conclusion. Introduction. Globalization has profoundly transformed relations between countries, cultures, and communities, generating growing economic, social, and cultural interdependence. This phenomenon has facilitated contact between diverse cultures, promoting exchange and integration, but has also generated tensions related to identity, diversity, and inequality. In this context, interculturality emerges as a fundamental tool for fostering respect, dialogue, uh, and coexistence among different cultures. This paper analyzes the interaction between globalization and interculturality, their effects on contemporary society, and the challenge of building a more inclusive and equitable world. Globalization is a process that involves the increasing interconnection between countries in economic, social, cultural, and technological ways. It fosters the global exchange of goods, ideas, and people, transforming relations between societies and reduce barriers. Civil engineering in globalization. Globalization has transformed the way civil engineers design, plan, and construct projects. Today, projects are developed in an interconnected environment involving technologies, standards, materials, and professionals from around the world. Example, collaborate international projects. The construction of the Hong Kong to High Macau Bridge, China, involved engineers and companies from different countries. Global impact, use of international standards, technical cooperation, and knowledge transfer between nations. Civil engineering in the area for globalization is not limited to building within national borders. It involves working with technologies, standards, capital, and people from around the world, seeking sustainable, efficient, and collaborative development. Positive and negative aspects of civil engineering in globalization. Positive aspects, knowledge and technology exchange. Civil engineers can learn and apply modern methods. International career opportunities engineers and can work on global projects or abroad. Global infrastructure development, ports, airports, and highways are being built to connect countries and foster trade. Negative aspects, technological inequality. Not all countries or companies have access to the same technological tools or resources. Loss of local identity, globalized designs and materials can replace traditional and culturally distinct techniques. Environmental impact, repeat infrastructure growth can lead to pollution, deforestation, or diversity loss. Interculturality. Interculturality is a coexistence and respectful dialogue between different people and cultures. We all are valued equally. It's not only about recognizing cultural diversity, but also about integrating, learning, and cooperating across cultures to build a more just, inclusive, and supportive society. An example situation, a group of civil engineers is developing a drinking water system in a Andean community in Peru. Application of interculturality, engineers engage with community leaders to understand their customs, beliefs, and needs. Traditional water use, which holds spiritual and community value. In respect, the system design is adapted to the geography and local materials, stone and adobe. The community actively participates in construction and maintenance, integrating technical and ancestral knowledge. Results a sustainable project accepted by the pollution and adapt to their culture. which has strengthens mutual respect between technicians and community. Conclusions and globalization and interculturalism have transformed civil engineering into a more open, collaborative, and human profession. Thanks to globalization, civil engineers have access to new technologies, international standards, and shared knowledge, which drives the development of modern and sustainable projects. However, interculturalism emphasizes the importance of respecting and valuing local cultures, integrating traditional knowledge with technical advance. And together, both concepts allow for the construction of infrastructure that not only connect place, but also peoples and culture promote inclusive, equitable, and diversity-friendly in development. And that's all. Thanks.